Hi there. Today we're gonna learn more about requesting time and adding breaks through WebWork. To do so, there are two different methods. The first one is using the desktop application, and the second one is using the web dashboard. And in order for us to add or request time through the desktop application, you simply have to navigate to the fourth tab within the app, which says Add and Edit Time. Then simply click on request time, and it's going to show you a small window that says specify the time from what time to what time you'd like to add, minutes, hours, along with a specific activity description if it might be relevant, a project that you'd like to allocate this time to, along with the task. And then you can simply press on the check mark. After doing so, within certain workspace configurations, this time might be automatically approved, otherwise, the managers will have to approve it for you. Now, moving to the web dashboard version, there are three different tabs that would allow you to add time. They are all under the timesheet section, which include the view and edit timesheet, time request, and time editor. Using all those different methods, you can simply navigate to the time request section, which might be the most reliable in case you'd like to understand whether your request is still pending, approved, or rejected. Then you can simply navigate to the Add Time button, click on it, press on time, select the date, your name, the project you'd like to allocate the time to, any specific task, and from what time to what time you'd like to add, along with any activity description. After you click on Request, the request is going to be pending, awaiting for approval by the managers. Now, in terms of breaks, in order for you to add a break within WebWork, you'll have to be assigned to a break policy. And once you're assigned to a break policy, you can simply press on the same button, which is Add Time, navigate to Break, click on Break, and simply select the break policy. You can then select from what time to what time you'd like to take the break and click on Request. And then the break has been added. It shows that 20 minutes have been added for your break. Thank you for your time and have a nice one.